Good morning.
Good morning.
As you can see, we have beautiful weather. It's Sunday today, and we decided to go for a beautiful countryside walk.
Yeah.
And we have officially spring now.
Yeah, today.
And hopefully you can hear the birds. It's glorious.
Yeah, it's lovely.
It's really lovely. This looks like a film set, doesn't it? All these beautiful daffodils, and then the very old tombstones. This one is from 1775, so really old. So, we came across a beautiful churchyard and decided to take a break.
Yeah.
And this morning, Joerg made something very special, which he absolutely loves.
Yeah, sausage rolls.
Yes, so he prepared them this morning and we filmed it and thought we would share the recipe. And yeah, this is what we filmed. And we want to share that now, and after you've watched that, we will give them a try.
Yeah.
And they smell divine, so I'm pretty sure.
Oh, yes. They smell really good.
Yeah, I'm sure they are fantastic.
They are fantastic. I made them.
Yes.
So here's everything you need to make gluten-free or regular sausage rolls. And also make sure to check the description box below the video to find all the ingredients and instructions. First, slice 2 shallots and cook them gently until they are golden brown. Then add some dried sage, but if you have fresh one, that's even better. After that, slit the skins of the sausages and pop out the meat. Then add 2 tablespoons of gluten-free breadcrumbs, a bit of nutmeg, the onions, and mix it well. On a floured surface, roll out the pastry and cut it lengthways into 2 even rectangles. Now roll the mixture into sausage shapes and lay on top of the rectangles. Fold the pastry over, press down, and use a fork to sear the edges. Put everything on a baking tray and brush with an egg and milk mixture. We're nearly there now. Last but not least, put some sesame seeds on top. Joerg is already cutting the sausage rolls into portions and then put them into the oven for about 25 minutes. I can tell you, the whole house smelled delicious.
Oh, they smell really good.
Yeah.
Aww.
And you go first.
I'll do. They're really good.
Yeah. They look divine. And to be honest with you, this is the easiest recipe. We used the Jamie Oliver recipe, and like the preparation time is 10 to 15 minutes, and then 25 minutes in the oven. It's so easy, and nothing can beat homemade sausage rolls.
No.
Nothing. So we can really recommend making them. And they are also, I think, like for German people, they are like some sort of canapes.
Yeah.
They are great.
That's a good party food.
Yes. Easy to prepare and just really good.
Yeah.
And now we can continue with our walk.
Yeah.
Tea and the sausage rolls were perfect.
Yeah.
It's so nice to take sausage rolls on a walk with you.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
A very good idea.
Joerg is really happy.
Yes. What do you want more?
Exactly.
A nice walk and a sausage roll.
Beautiful weather.
And a good tea.
Yes. Wonderful. Couldn't ask for more.
No.
Warte. Was ist denn? Okay. Ich kann dich nicht streicheln. Oh dear, this is going to be tricky. This is going to be really tricky. I don't know.
It is.
Yeah.
So look, you made it.
I made it. And it was a real struggle. So next weekend we would have been in Cornwall.
Yeah, but this won't happen.
No, sadly, because we're still in lockdown, we had to reschedule for July.
Yeah.
We were really looking forward to it because it would have been for 4 days and yeah, we would have filmed a lot.
Yeah.
And yeah, nothing you can do. And also regarding Highclere Castle, so that was originally rescheduled for April, and
Now it's rescheduled to
July. So yeah, Highclere unfortunately has to stay closed until May. And the thing is, we booked a very lovely cottage in Hampshire, which we chose for our base. And I think, yeah, that's for 3 nights as well. And so far it looks as if this is still happening, because it's a self-catering accommodation. So we might be able to go and then explore the area a bit. I don't know, maybe, I don't know, Jörg, what do you think? Will gardens still be closed? Because
no, I think some of them will be open.
But Highclere will still be closed.
Yeah, because it's the garden and the house.
Yeah.
And we're not allowed to open the house.
Yeah. So maybe we can go to a National Trust garden, 1 or 2 gardens, and nice villages, something like that, and share the accommodation with you, of course. So fingers crossed.
Yeah.
That would be lovely.
It will be lovely, yeah.
Yeah. We're nearly home, and we did 13k today.
Yeah, which is around about 8 miles.
It was lovely.
Yeah.
We really enjoyed it. We had the best weather. Your sausage rolls were amazing.
Yeah, ideal for a break.
Yes, they give you lots of power. And we hope you enjoyed this video. And we'll see you again very soon.
Yeah.
So until next time.
Yeah. Take care.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.